yabo.
So but manje mo checkile ne abantu basacabanga ngathi i-cricket i-sport samabhono or manje
that's when abantu sebabona just because manje akusese United Cricket Board we create South Africa, so sokunalento leyo ukuthi ethimini akwazi ukuthi i-team ayikhethiwe ingabi na more than 5 yabantu abamnyama. So it's a transformation manje ukuthi it's a matter of must ukuthi i-team ekhethwayo ibe nabantu abamnyama 5 or 6, you understand?
Yeah.
But manje vele sephephula la emalokishini just because Davidton, Twatwa, Tembisa, Phosphorus, you understand? Katleho sowakhona, you understand? But lama township engwabalayo amazonal one, ama-hub, iThema, iTutuza, i-Ectonville. So in other words, as I said, ukuthi ngoba sine ground, sine clubhouse, and then create to vele nechlali create very competitive. So that's when they started to build us a ground, and the ground back in the days sathola sponsor say PPC Cement.
Okay.
Yo le yasakhela kusize sibe ne ground yabo. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So manje wena uqale nini ukuba i-coach officially?
Coach, I started 2002 when I started to ukuthi ngidlale. Because I was playing ngidlala ku Premier Promotion, you understand? Automatically kuba nama course during the off season.
Oh, okay.
When off season, that's when senza ama course of umpire, that's when senza ama course where coaching.
Oh yeah, attend.
Yeah, it's like off season, like cricket idlala yabo nje manje on season. Iqalile bese next year ngo April it's ayaphela ama game just because sports sase-summer not a winter. Ayaphela ngo April ama game from home yekela le isikhathi ama course so kudlala nje i-winter cricket, but sibase kakhulu ukuthi yenziwa ama course, you understand? Yeah, but yona i-cricket ayivali as much as, you understand? Iyadlala but ayikho fast as some. Yeah, so I started to play cricket ke. I mean, I started to
coach,
do a course. Yeah, that time, they said 2002, I started to coach again in mini cricket. I do a course in mini cricket just because there is a mini cricket, there is a level 1, level 2. Understand? Yeah, level 3, level 4. But mine I'm a level 2 coach.
But then you 2002.
Yeah, I challenge you coach. You understand? Yeah.
So i-club yala eThema i-operator kanjani?
I-club yala eThema i-operator kanjani via ey'kolweni. We started to develop abantwana ey'kolweni. I mean to market or to develop, I can put in that way.
Okay,
yeah. See, introduce the cricket from Mugogo in mini cricket. They sponsor a KFC mini cricket before, as I said, we Bakers, but Magic says Bakers are pull out. So many KFC. So we started to develop mini cricket at the early age. Abantwana from grade R. From there, Sabachimi Sexeni, Ekolina period to life skills. After that, after school, that's when there's a club in la a complex. That's when the club to cooler just because the field you call this like him.
So ngeviki attend ikolo ezingaki?
Ngeviki we share ikolo singama coaches. Like mina isikolo used to go Dietwala, Sakhelwe, Msobomvu, lesisila. Yeah. Understand? Izikolo kati ngisase busy ngazo abantu. Yeah.
And then mabeza la eklabini i-team ye-community or
yeah, masiba la eklabini as much as i-cricket la eThema is like more than i-cricket la eThema. Kuyafuna ukuthi udlalela i-squad sala eThema just because there's no any team ngaphandle kwale team. That's why we call it Thema Cricket Club. There's no any team. You understand? But masidlala we play in Amanyama Township, like Nama City, Pinoni City, or Pinoni Northern, or Springs, Davidton, you understand? Yeah, it's Akane to Tuzaranja, you understand? Yes, represent Amakasu to Masla.
So, main focus ya le club ukubuilda abantwana from ey'kolweni nangaphandle or
as a ukubuilda our target, our aim, our vision ukuthi ikhulise ikwathema, you understand, ibe strong, you understand.
or ne-sports cricket.
Yeah, in sports cricket kune-rugby, there's a soccer, there's a netball, you understand. Yeah, just to make our cast ukuthi abantu vele babone ukuthi is any activity eyenzakalayo ekwathema, you understand.
Manje makune-tournament uba no-host i-tournament?
Ama-tournament kuyadependa just because njengamanje ama-tournament ahamba kanjani, kunama-region, kunama-provincial, you understand. So sinabantwana abakhethiwe for ama-region almost by 6 badlala ku-region. Sinabantwana abakhethiwe for i-provincial by 4, you understand. Yeah, so i-region ilabe ngibabalile in provincial, you understand. So i-tournament ihamba kanjani, like i-region yethu la ekuruleni, you understand. Bese masikhuluma nge-provincial like i-Gauteng, i-Eastern, just because thina si-under i-mother body ye-Eastern Cricket Union. Yeah, thina si-under i-mother body ye-Eastern Cricket Union. So njengoba thina mangithi i-region like la ekuruleni ngoba i-Eastern iyo i-mother body yala ekuruleni, you understand. Yeah, bese there is i-Lion i-mother body yabo Mathembisa, Katlehong, Thokoza, sorry, not Thokoza, Alexandra, you understand.
Okay.
Yeah, kanjalo amanye
so i-Lion i-hosta ama-region ofana nabo Thembisa nani.
iThembisa ngapha ngakithi ekuruleni, shuthi from Soweto, from after Albertine ukuyela ngale, so i-Lion from ngapha uma ekuruleni, I mean la boma Whiteville, Alberton, Bedfordville i-under ekuruleni. So thina masihlala ama-region, abantwana bakhethwa from different township esebayize region, you understand. From after region bese sokuzoba ne-provincial, aba-provincial bodlala namanye aboma Eastern Cape, Western Cape, abo Mpumalanga, what kanjalo ke lapho. So
Trejo Tebugo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung